Are you searching for a SEO company in Boca Raton? So if you are searching for a best SEO company in Boca Raton, this video is for you. Here I am going to share a website or a company, skillmaking.com, who can provide you the best SEO service in Boca Raton. As you can see here, uh, these benefits of SEO for a business are given. You can check them and get knowledge about SEO, why you need SEO and who should use our services. We do SEO for local SEO, on-page SEO, off-page SEO, technical SEO. So we cover all type of SEO services in our packages. So we also do social media management, SEO and PPC work. So here some pricing information about our plan for SEO. So the primary plan, or we can say the starter plan, $1,000 per month. In this plan you will get standard keyword research, Google My Business optimization, and citation creation, 3 to 5 high quality links, and on page optimization for up to 5 pages, and technical SEO report and analysis. So you will get all these things in $1,000 per month. So, and the minimum contract will be 6 months. Okay, and if you want to get our advanced plan, so here in this advanced plan you will get more in SEO. So you will get advanced keyword research with some paid tools, or you can see that with a high quality advanced keyword research, and you will get Google My Business optimization with a professional guidance, and citation creation, and 7 to 8 high quality links. These links are the most important to rank your website in higher on Google, and on page optimization for up to 15 pages. So you will get 15 pages, on page optimization for 15 pages, and you will get technical SEO, like you want to grow your, increase your website's speed, sitemap, robot.txt, etc. There are different types of things to do for in technical SEO. So we will provide you, and you at last you will get a report and analysis of our work. So you can contact us with this contact information, or you can contact with this contact us form. You can mail us on this email ID or this email ID. Both are my primary email IDs, and you can contact us via WhatsApp also. You can contact with Instagram, YouTube or Facebook. If you will go on Instagram, you will get some information about my Instagram, and you can see the a lot of videos about SEO. As you can see here, I create videos on SEO in Hindi language. So as you can see here, there are different types of videos and images about SEO. So I'm doing this work since 3 years, past 3 years. So I can do SEO professionally for many clients or many companies in India and as well as United States also. So you can contact me for best SEO service in Boca Raton. So I hope you got the information that you want here. Thank you for watching this video.